today, guys, we're going to be talking about the exhaust mods that I did to the Caddy. I did a muffler delete a couple weeks ago. I know, I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys, but like I said, with the holidays and everything, I've been super sick and all of that. But, it's done. It happened, and I am so happy and I'm so excited that we did it. It sounds fucking awesome. It sounds crazy. So we're going to do some flybys, we're going to do a little bit of exhaust clips, little rev clips, all that nonsense, so you guys can hear, see how she sounds. Now while I'm on the subject, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you follow my Instagram at motor_junkies_. Obviously you see my car's all now tatted up with her. So make sure you give that a follow after the video is done. Make sure you subscribe because we're going to have some crazy stuff going on. Obviously you see all the driveway. The whole driveway is filled now. We got the Jaguar F-Pace, the Challenger 392 SRT, the Infiniti Q50 3.0 twin turbo, and we got the Cadillac Ats with the muffler delete and the intake. So there's going to be a lot of crazy stuff happening. We're going to be meeting up with a bunch of different people. So hope you guys like the video and enjoy. Now guys, like I said, I've had this mod for a couple weeks now. I've drove around with it. I've been living with it now for a couple weeks. So I know how it sounds basically. I know how it drives basically. But you guys don't. So I'm going to take you around. I'm going to tell you what I think of it. I'm going to give you a couple of rev clips. I'm going to give a couple flybys. All that stuff, but let me tell you, this thing sounds fucking awesome. It completely changed the whole characteristic of the car. It blows my mind how this sounds actually. So what we did was we did a basic muffler delete. So we took the big muffler that was on the back of this thing, we cut it in two spots, we took the piece of pipe out, and we actually just, I went to AutoZone and I got a truck tip, like one of those dual 3-inch truck tips that you put on the side of like a Silverado or something from AutoZone. It was like 30 bucks, and we screwed it in to the pipe so it would be a down pipe instead of just spewing straight out the back, so it wouldn't burn anything. So now the exhaust is completely cut off. I still have the muffler and the tips are still on the car, but it's not connected. They're not welded or anything. It's not connected to the car. I just thought it looked weird without having the tips on the back, so we just kept the muffler on there because I didn't feel like having to weld or do anything like that to the tips and keeping them screwed in or welded in to the frame. So we just kept the muffler in there, but it's not connected at all. It's just so it's coming from the cat to the mid muffler to the secondary cat, and then it's just turned straight down, and that's it. There's nothing else. So it sounds fucking awesome. I hope you guys like the way it sounds. I know I do. I think it sounds freaking sick. Like, it sounds absolutely amazing. I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you put a comment down below. Make sure you like my Instagram. Give that a follow. It's at motor_junkies_. If you like what we're doing, we're going to have a bunch of exciting stuff coming up. Like I said, we got a bunch of different types of cars on the channel now. The Cadillac Ats, the Jaguar F-Pace, the Challenger SRT 392, and now we got a brand new 2018 Infiniti Q50 3-liter twin turbo. Crazy stuff going on in the channel. I got a bunch of people that we're going to link up with, and we're going to get some crazy stuff going on. So make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe. So I'm going to give you a few exhaust clips right now just to show you how the exhaust really sounds. I'm going to do a pull right now with the windows up. Now I'll put the windows down. Then I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna do a pull. And then we're gonna do some exhaust rev clips. I'm gonna put you guys out back so you can hear it from the outside too. Alright, so I hope you guys like it. And let's go. By the way, all this was done in Mexico. So now that was with the windows up. Now we're gonna do a pull with the windows down. Show you guys how it sounds. So that's how it sounds with the windows down. Hope you guys got a good reading so you could actually hear that a little bit. And I don't know if the window is bad or not. I have the external mic on there. I got a really good external mic, so you guys should be able to hear me pretty well. If not, I'm gonna get another one. But you guys should be able to hear me pretty well. So now I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm actually gonna pop you guys on the back so you can hear it from the outside, so you can let me know what you think. What I could do better, all that jazz. Make sure you like my Instagram page, give that a follow. It's motor_junkies_. Make sure you give that a follow. Make sure you put a few likes that way. That's where you'll find all the first-hand stuff. You'll find out what's going on with the channel. You'll see all the nice, cool pictures that we take of the cars and stuff. So make sure you shoot that a follow. Make sure you give that a like. I hope to see you guys next video.